expanding VA hospitals and healthcare, and adapting care to better meet the unique needs of female veterans. We're creating a single electronic health record that our military has provided unique capabilities at the beginning. But this is one of the biggest ships in the Navy, and on Friday it was home to one of the most unique college basketball games I've ever seen. Many Americans who are out there pounding the pavement. Our freedom and diversity make us unique, and they will always be central to who we are as a nation. We have a unique opportunity to reaffirm our tradition of responsible gun ownership and also do more to keep guns out of the hands of criminals or people with a severe mental illness. This is an effort that America has the unique ability to, and we want to make sure that no girl out there is denied her chance to learn, that no girl is prevented from making her unique contributions to the world. And we're going to offer unique and engaging ways for you to join me on this trip all week at whitehouse.gov.
Mr. President, I humbly accept your call to service, and I understand that doing so will carry with it some unique challenges. So first,
it's been a real unique opportunity, I think, for the government, but also for us to get to know each other and to have this outside perspective.
On one side of the spectrum, there are those who make little allowance for the unique challenges posed by terrorism and would almost never put national security over transparency. But my personal story is not so unique. But sadly, it's not unique.
She founded Susan G. Komen for the Cure in honor of her sister, and today the organization supports research and community awareness programs across the United States and around the world. Nancy G. Brinker's unique passion and determination have been a blessing to all those whose lives have been touched by breast cancer.
One of the unique and wonderful things about America has always been our self-reliance, our rugged individualism, our fierce defense of freedom, and our healthy skepticism of government. But my personal story is not so unique. But I think today's honor bears a unique significance, bestowed by this body of which he was an esteemed member, presented in this place where he moved the arc of history, surrounded by so many, myself included, who have followed the trail that he blazed. Ed's